We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are. All right, so we're over here at Spiker's Performance.
Mad as savage, and me back and I'm back and it happening, ready to blow. I remember doing deeds with Deji from the street, they left me on my own. Mom kept asking me about how I got the P, I told her leave him mum and grow. Then they're ringing off my phone, then they're ringing off my phone. Times changed, but mine's made though. I ain't got line patience, tried then though.
He's gonna put on the S&B air intake on the Expedition. It's a 2017 Expedition. It's a EcoBoost twin turbo. So they got a bunch of music playing in there, so I can't really film and talk in there too much. But we're gonna get this thing installed. Also, this thing's probably gonna give it like 50 or 60 more horsepower, which would be good for towing. This thing's gonna be epic, so I can't wait to get it installed. So let's get in there, let's get to it.
Mad as savage, and me back and I'm back and it happening, ready to blow. I remember doing deeds with Deji from the street, they left me on my own. Mom kept asking me about how I got the P, I told her leave him mum and grow. Then they're ringing off my phone, then they're ringing off my phone. Times changed, but mine's made though. I ain't got line patience, tried then though. Light baiting, come close, but I swear that went ghost with a hair pack. Never boast loud, get your bird whacked in my condo where I birth tracks with a gang. Catch that for the gram, snap that for the man. These dudes do the most, no money in the hand. I ain't never had to feel away, rhyme steady and they feel the way. Occupation make it either way, never worry cause I can. Back chat from the whack gang, took charge when they sack man. Passport when a milestone, make space when the bags land. This must be a daydream, Max got me the mad plan. My team never lied on, due a visit from the facts man. He be riding on the wave, I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space, Pines ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what a waste, times money, money pays. You ain't ready for the eighth, she ain't ready for the eighth. He be riding on the wave, I ain't got a lot to say. Mine's heavy, give me space, Pines ready, let me blaze. Spend money, what a waste, times money, money pays. You ain't ready for the eighth, she ain't ready for the eighth. Fake clothes, same watch, fake crepe, same fucks, fake squad, same lots. All
right, so we got this S&B filter on here. This thing is dialed. We are still waiting on the tune. Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle gave us this. He's gonna be sending us a tune, so as soon as that's ready, we're gonna load this thing up, and it should be about 60 more horsepower, so this thing's gonna be pretty cool. So I don't know, but that's it for now on this. I probably will change the oil later. This thing's taking a beating. I've driven it all over the country. We're gonna get this thing dialed in, get it washed up. Hey, we got everything done over here at Spiker's. We're gonna head back to the shop, wait on that tune, and see what this thing can do. Let's get to it. All right, so the truck ended up being pretty good. We got the tune all worked out on that. I didn't end up filming anything else with it, but we're back here at the shop now. So I decided with the BMW, I got this Halo seat in the driver's seat, and every time I want to wear my helmet and the GoPro, it gets in the way. So had the idea, I'm gonna switch these two seats around. That way the passenger will be a little bit more safe. I'll have more headroom to move, you know, the GoPro on the helmet and everything. So I'm gonna take these bolts out and switch these seats around, undo the seat belts, hook those back up, and do all that. So let's get to it. All right, so I had to move these over a little bit to make it fit a little better, and I actually scooted it up one notch because the little side thing here sets on the bar here, so I couldn't scoot it all the way back, and I couldn't get the bolts in. But I don't know, we're gonna get back to it. I almost got the passenger in, and then we're gonna finish the driver, and it should be good to go. So let's get back to it. All right, so I changed the seats around, and then I decided that the halo looks stupid in the passenger seat. So I put both halos in the 240, and I put both of the regular seats in here. I switched them all out, got them all buttoned up, got them all bolted in there and everything. It actually looks pretty good on here. With the S14 and the seats, they look pretty good. There's more room in this car, so I think it's easier that both of those go in here, and then have the other ones in this car. But that's pretty much it for this episode. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.